Hi, this is Dev Bilal. Today we are going to learn how you can customize this section of your website, this about section. So first of all, you need to go to design settings, then click on home page, select content to display, and this is about website join offer. So this is about website section. If you accidentally cut it here, you can simply find about website by searching here. Okay. So this is about website. You can click on edit settings. I will write something about my website. I will make some changes here. Okay, so I will change it to bold, change the color to yellow here, red maybe. I will change the color to red. Okay, and change the font to Arial here. Okay, I will make it bold color blue Georgia. Okay, so these are the titles. You can change the title here, title color you can change. The element border color, this is the element border color. This is the border background and this is the border color, and this is the border color of the other one, the first one, and this is the background. Okay, title color I will do it black. Okay, hide on mobile, yes or no. And here you can change the color buttons. I will make it success buttons and make it warning button with yellow, and it should go to events, and the URL of this button should go to search result. For example, join our site today, see upcoming events. Okay, save and close, refresh the page. So now it is changed. Okay, so that's how you can make changes in this section of your website. And in the next videos we will discuss about the footer something maybe. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Thanks so much.